a quick sneak peek into the paper party awesomeness that we have going on here. So we've got PDFs, we have videos, we have technical stuff to show you how to get things done, online forms, things like that, how to accept payments, graphics, how to make graphics, email marketing, really fun advertising ideas, um, setting up a Facebook group from scratch, touring our old paper party Facebook groups, but having fun ways to interact. And we even have a really beautiful, fun PDF for you on that. We've got how to create a PDF with Katina. It's a 3-part video where she shares, or series where she shares how to create a PDF that you can use in any class, any event, not just for paper parties. I have stuff talking to you about packaging and shipping and how to do all of that and past paper party stuff. And I have taken the time to create labels for every single designer series paper in the new catalog so that you just have to print them. And we provide you all the details on how to do that. We have provided you with past paper party PDFs so that you can literally use, like, there's sample after sample after sample after sample in packed in these PDFs that you're going to be able to use again and again and again. We have tips for partnering with demonstrators, and of course, we have a fun Facebook Live that you are going to be able to be a part of on May 16th. So if you want this course, you can purchase it now, and I will leave the link below and check for coupon codes, and we will see you in the course. Thanks. Bye-bye.